Well, the never-ending cycle of plowing snow was out till midnight trying to get caught up, and here we are getting more, so that's always good. For those of you that have been around the channel since the beginning, you'll recognize this truck. A couple years ago, I wound up putting another motor in it. The original one had a bad rod knock, and it pushed oil out from about every possible place it could. But it still pushed snow really good. I mean, that's a 306 for you. But yeah, got this out of a junkyard truck, turned out to be rebuilt. Swapped it in here, cleaned everything up under the hood a bit. And she's worked out real well, so we're still good there. The old motor, every spring the bed would be full of empty quarts of oil. So yeah, a good improvement always helps. Just hooked this up because it's got a bad draw somewhere in the system. So that's how you solve that. You just pull one off. And hey, we got the snow off too, so. And then partially latch it so air can flow in there and keep everything cool. It's about 5 degrees out. Oh, little frozen. She's just deluxe in here though. Okay, set the choke. Should be set. And then we got SEMA ready switches here. Oh yeah. Crank that all the way up. And we'll let her warm up. And I'll take you guys along and plow some snow, I guess. All right, we'll bring her down from high idle. Turn that down a little bit. Pushed out the way so I can pile more there and push it back. I'll fire up the 7.3 so I can backblade all this. Give them a few more seconds even though the light's off, because not everyone knows that the glow plugs keep running after that. I might as well turn this on. get over there. Okay, we'll move the 7.3. Oh, got everything back bladed, so we'll push some this way again. Ford Highboy snow charts. We're up to the bumpers. Now we'll back blade out from the shop. Who needs to shovel out your doors when you can do this? Yeah, I'd say she's a little deep. You know, I've actually had quite a few people tell me, oh, I bet that little F-150 can't move much snow, where it's a half ton and has the total traction beam front end. But, you know, with the combo that it has, a torquey 306, short wheelbase, good tires, there's not much that this thing can't move. You know, being a short bed with dual tanks, it's very low profile. It can maneuver in and out of some crazy spots, which is one of the things I like about it a lot. Nice spacious back window, you can see everything, good visibility, and yeah, the plow hangs down on the half-ton front end pretty good, but she's held up. I've been using this thing for like 4 or 5 years now, and I've never broken anything other than some cracked welds on the plow frame, but that's a given up here. It happens to almost all plow trucks. But yeah, I can totally vouch for a C6 transmission as well. This thing gets used absolutely hard. It gets treated like a D8 to move, you know, stuff like that that's been untouched all winter long. It'll plow in there no problem. And that's all in high range too. The only thing I do is I go to first gear on the transmission. That way you're not in drive and it's not trying to shift up while you're pushing snow. That seems to really roast out automatics, but yeah, she does really well. You wouldn't think a half-ton would, but she's pretty well unstoppable. And I don't care how cold it is outside, this 300 will always start even without being plugged in or anything. It's just all around a great truck. I don't know what it is with old Fords and heaters, but this thing will have you sweating in a t-shirt in here on low. But that's always an added bonus for sure. And another thing, the old inline 6, She's great on fuel. You can go all day long non-stop and it'll hardly burn any fuel. Well, I'm gaining on it. Pretty close to done now. Well, got her all finished up till we get more, which is still currently snowing right now, so this probably won't last too long. But I'm about to go clean off all the trucks with this new thing. So, till the next video, hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you want to see in the future and I'll try and make it happen. Till the next one, I'll see you guys later.